Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the euro yen, I still think this is likely the end of a wave 3, and if it is the end of a wave 3, then we are very likely in a corrective wave 4, and eventually probably go up for a wave 5. I'm expecting the wave 4 to go down to like the 50% Fibonacci retracement, and I'm also expecting this wave 4 to probably last at least 6-8 months and possibly even more. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. This first push down, I think, is all just a wave A. I think at some point we might have already started. We're going to make a move up for a wave B, which should be a correction to the wave A, and eventually start a move down for a wave C, and this should all be a wave 4 on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this whole thing down is looking very, very, very corrective. Now, I would consider this more of a three-way pattern up, and I would almost kind of consider this more of a three-way pattern down, too. So if we do get a nice Fibonacci bounce, a very engulfing move to the upside, I would definitely take it as a long. I think it could end up being like one of those 3-3-5 patterns for potentially a wave B. So definitely keeping an eye out for that. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I actually think this first push down, especially looking at other yen pairs, is the wave A. I think this is a big stretched out ABC correction for the wave B, and I think we are now in a downtrend for the wave C. So if it does bounce from one of these fib levels with a nice engulfing move to the upside, very, very impulsive, then I definitely would take that as a long, potentially the end of an ABC of B, just like what I was showing on the daily time frame. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I mean, if price does break structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level, no matter what Fibonacci level it is, whether it's this one or whether it's the 50% down lower, if it breaks structure to the upside, I definitely would take it as a long. And it does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, it looks like. So if this does break structure, which it definitely doesn't have to, it could easily make a lower high. So that's why I will wait for a break of structure before I decide to go long. Then I will probably wait for a pullback, and then I will try to go long on the pullback after the break of structure. If it doesn't break structure and it makes another lower high, then definitely just continue to go short every chance you get until you do see that break of structure at a Fibonacci retracement level. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.